Hey everyone, and welcome to the Workiz Academy, where we'll be going over the different aspects of the product. We'll start with a quick video on how to streamline your business by taking you through your daily workflow. This includes getting a job request, adding the job, notifying your client and tech, sending an invoice, and of course, getting paid. You'll be able to watch other videos for more details on the different features, including a step-by-step guide on how to use them. So let's start with what happens when you get a job request. It could have come in by phone to your Workiz number, message, service chatbot, or via your online booking widget on your website. In our case, a request just came in via online booking. I'll open the message, and I can go ahead and add the job straight from the message. The information will automatically fill itself out according to what the customer wrote, and then I'll submit it. Once the job is submitted, the client will get an automatic message about the job, and he'll also get a reminder before the job. Your tech will also get a notification, and your client will get a message when the tech is on his way. This helps keep communication flowing between your dispatcher, your techs, and your clients. After the job is done, it's time to send the client an invoice and get paid. We can easily add the relevant items to the invoice and send it to the client either by email or text message. The client can pay and sign the invoice with Workiz Pay, Workiz's online payment solution. He can choose to save his credit card for future payments and to add a tip right to his card. And you can always oversee and track the performance of your business, your team, scoreboard, and due invoices, all from one dashboard. You already know that there's so much more to Workiz. It's a one-stop shop for home service business owners, so there are lots of features for you to get to know. Check out the other Workiz Academy videos to learn about the different features. But if you have any questions, we're here to help.